Let's go for buffet breakfast here at Dusit Thani Hotel, Makati. Okay. What? Ay, syempre, breakfast. The bacon and the bread. Pork sopaw, lechon paksiw, pork longga, and then the breads here. May eggs. Paggawa ka na lang ng itlog mo dito. That's possible also. Here's the area. See, for this pancake, waffles, French toast. There we go. And then the egg station. See? And then the only coffee. Yeah, Proud Coffee. And the juices there. Of course, this was the noodles. Diba? Tastes like Thai. Morning. And then here's the classic champorado, chicken conchi, which is lugaw. And then a lot more. See? There. Ayan. This area here, chop soy, canton guisado, tanggit, breakfast kasi. Beef franks, chicken tocino, and oatmeal if you want oatmeal. Yeah, for the breakfast, of course. Yeah. Alright. Oh. That area. Of course, the taho. Taho! Yeah, inside the buffet hotel area. If you want here naman, ayun, mayroong Japanese station. You see that? Oh. We'll try this one. Oh, it's a rice. And then the cold cuts here. Oh, ayan, chicken ham, smoked bangos, quesong puti, at farmer's ham. Also, all kind of cold cuts. It's there also. Of course, the fruits. You see the fruits there. Oh. And then the mix. This red area here. You see? Of course, there's the breads. You want banana. See? Oh. And other cereals. There. Just ask for Ate there. Alright. That's it. Breakfast time, of course. The bar area. You see? For the drinks and coffee also there. Happy breakfast.